Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your PF balance in EPFO portal. So there are two ways to access your or to check your PF balance. You can go to the official website for EPFO and you can go to the for employees services in the service section, and there in the services you will get one option, member passbook. You can click it, and after that you have to log in with your UAN password, and after that you can write this captcha and then sign in. Then you will get your PF balance here. And one more way is to access the passbook from the member portal. If you are logging into this member portal, you just go to this view option, and in the bottom you will get one option for the passbook. If you go there, you will get the same interface as we got from the EPF, the official website of EPFO. So the same portal you will get from there also. So here you have to give your UAN password, and after providing the captcha you can sign in here, and you will get the same interface of your passbook. I will provide you the direct link for this page in my description. You can access this page from the description also. So from here you can check what is your balance of your EPF, what is your contribution. So in the pink color you'll get your contribution, and in blue color you will get your employer contribution. Okay, and in the below you will get your organization details, your joining date, and your experience for how many days you are working in that company. So all this thing you will get here. If you want to know your profile details, then you can go to the profile section over here. You will get all your details like your name, joining date, your bank number or IFSC code. All those things you will get in the profile. So like this you will get in the profile, like your UN, mobile number, full name, Aadhaar card, PAN card, all those things. In the passbook you will get your overview contribution details, like in which year how much your contribution and what is the contribution of your employer. You will get over here. If you have claimed, like if you have withdrawal, advance withdrawal from your EPF, and it got settled or it got rejected, you will get here, like this person have claimed 2 times and it got settled also. So those information you will get here in the claim section. Then the service history you will get for how many days and in which companies you have worked till now, and what is your total experience working in different companies. So you'll get all your total experience and joining date over here in the service history page. Let's say if you want to estimate the PF balance at the time of your retirement, you can go to this calculator and you can go to this EPF calculator. Then you will get this type of interface. You don't need to enter anything according to your monthly wages, and all these fields will be filled automatically, and you just have to click this calculate button, and after that you will get your estimated PF balance at the age of 58 or at the time of your retirement. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.